Hi folks, Navy Dowdy here in the great Midwest in the Chicago area in the fabulous United States. Why do people fear tax audits more than they fear overpaying? If you ask anybody if they pay too much income tax, the knee-jerk reaction is almost always yes, and without much hesitation. Why do we call that a knee-jerk reaction? Because if you then follow up the question with two more questions, what did you pay in federal tax last year? And or what bracket are you in? They almost as quickly say, I don't remember or I'm not sure. Or they might guess at a percentage bracket, but usually not correctly. I've even had people profess the pain of paying too much in tax only to discover that not only did they get all of their withholdings, but were given tax credit refunds of money that they did not pay. Why? When you ask the same people, do you pay too much for your cell phone, your car, your mortgage, etc., some will give you the same response, but most will say, no, I got a good deal, and may even elaborate with the details about a sale that they took advantage of. Human nature is our best guess as to why this happens, or perhaps it's a tangible smartphone or car is easier to value than the intangible ability to drive to work because somebody plowed the road for you before you woke up, or that the reason you have a job is because the military has kept you free or the police have kept you safe. Our quest continues, so if the tax bill you pay is the biggest, worst thing in your budget, and you spend many hours looking for deals when spending money on cars and homes and phones and garage sales, then why do we have so few clients that allow us to proactively shop for tax credits, tax deductions, and other breaks on their behalf during the year and not just 10 minutes before the filing deadline? The most common answer we get is, oh, well, I don't want to cause an audit. An audit. Oh no, lions and tigers and audits, and oh my, lions and tigers and audits, oh my. Like the wicked witch from The Wizard of Oz stirring her smoking cauldron, I can hear her threat. I'll audit your taxes, my pretty, and your little dogs too. Often we ask our clients if they work from home, and these days many say yes. But the follow-up question, do you take a home office deduction, is often answered no. I don't want to trigger an audit. The IRS several years ago recognized that so many people legitimately work from home that they created an option to file a home office EZ form. You put down the square feet of your apartment or home and the square feet of your home office room that you use and check EZ, and the IRS does not require any additional information or proof of expenses, and they give you $5 a square foot without question. They aren't going to audit an EZ form. EZ forms mean you don't have to be bothered with record keeping. There are many proactive legal and ethical things that can be done to lower people's tax burden. Others require extra record keeping and effort, but if the taxpayer does a good job at those simple requirements, then responding to a letter audit could be as simple as emailing or faxing the records to the auditor, often avoiding a face-to-face meeting. If you're missing required records and they disallow the deduction, you simply owe a little refund back with some penalties and interest. At these low interest rates, it's not like a colonoscopy. It's more like audit disallows 2342.18. Please pay us $234. More tax and a few dollars in penalties and interest. The end? No, which? You probably should only be paying the amount that you legally and ethically owe. Get with your tax planner fast in order to take advantage of tax savings ideas. And if your preparer hasn't offered you any proactive ideas recently, get on my calendar for a short call. I will find some things that you can do right now to save taxes fast. I'm Navy Dowdy, and remember, financial fitness can be beneficial to your wealth.